Hi, I'm Tina and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing of this planner cover that I ordered from the Pink Room Company. The actual cover was not available yet, so it was a pre-order that I had placed, and it's been a little while and I am really excited to get this. And I wanted to unbox it with you together. That way you can get my true reaction when I open this up. All right, let's get into this. All right, first I just want to point out, look at how pretty this came with. She put like this big pretty sticker on here just to decorate the shipping box, and I thought that that was so pretty. I really, I love pretty packaging. I think we all love pretty packaging. So, oh, that side's already, I didn't open it, but it must have been already like that. So let's go ahead. Open this up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful this is. I love her packaging. It's always, she just takes her time. She just takes her time and does really pretty things. Thank you, Tina. Thank you for your support. I hope you enjoy your new Happy Mail. And then of course, be sure to tag her. And that's from Cindy. She's the owner. And look at how cute this is. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do, and look at how pretty, oh my goodness. So I am just gonna take everything out of here, and the actual planner cover is in a box. So let me get this out of here, and then I will come back and we'll look at everything together. All right, so I just wanted to take it out of the box. You can see I didn't unpackage any of it. It's so pretty. All right, so I really hate ripping any beautiful packaging. So just bear with me because I just wanna slide this out because it's so pretty. And she just spent like so much time putting that together and just really making it so pretty. So let's go ahead and open this up. I didn't order anything other than the planner cover. So we've got a little fun envelope in here. Let's see what she did. Label on here, thank you. A little freebie as a part of your thank you. Okay. Just her packaging is so sweet. She takes so much time. All right, so let's see what she did here. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, some little freebies. She put some washi. I know this is washi because that's how her washi's come. And this cute little freebie in here. That's really pretty. Stickers. And then her card. Oh, I love these cards, by the way. They're so pretty. And thank you for your support. So that is so nice. And then let's take a look. Having some issues here. Okay, this is better. I was actually introduced to her shop almost a year ago when I attended the Chicago Planner Conference. And I sat at her table that she hosted. And her items on there that you received were amazing. I mean, just amazing. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. That's so pretty. Ooh, and again, really pretty. So these two little freebie washies, I love them. Thank you, Cindy. All right, let's get into the main event right here, the planner cover. And I think I'm gonna have to clip this because I'm not really seeing any other way. I'm already just like ogling it. I haven't even opened it yet. I just love the packaging so much. Oh, pretty. Okay. All right, so now what I'm unwrapping here is the Ivy B6 planner cover. And let's open it up. And it will fit my mini happy planner, and that is why I got it. And oh my gosh. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's metallic rose gold. And it's obviously stuck on something. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so, so pretty. Oh my goodness, the color is stunning. Oh my gosh, it's so, so beautiful. I feel like the color is not being captured perfectly. I am, oh God, I'm in love. I am in love. All right, so let's get into the details of this. It's so pretty. Okay, it is quilted. As you can see, it does have rose gold hardware on it. And I'm gonna flip it over. Oh, it's got a pocket in the back. Look at that. I love it. Oh my gosh. All right, let's open it up and just look at it in more detail. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. All right. Wow. Let's go over everything that it comes with. It is a B6 size, and the way that this is designed, that it comes with these discs in here already for B6 sizing, but this slides out. Isn't that awesome? And look at the beautiful rose gold hardware. That is stunning. I mean, that's stunning. So the thing that I love so much about her covers, I have another one for my classic size Happy Planner, is they do come with these rings. I'm not a ring bound girl. I love my discs, but then you can slide the planner right in here into this pocket. Oh, this got a little bent here, but that's okay. It'll flatten out once I put my planner in there and I start using it. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side and let's look at this in some more detail. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we've got a lot of pockets on the side. It feels so nice. It's so soft. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pockets, and they don't go super far down, but I'm happy with how far they go down because I do like things to peek out. So they do really stop. Let me grab, I'm gonna grab her little sticker freebie here, and you can see that it's like a card kind of slot. So it'll go down like, yeah, I think they're all like the same type of depth. Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh. And then it has this little pocket here, like a nice little envelope in through here. And then it does have these cords in here. So if you wanted to put like a bound planner in here, you could do that as well. And then it does have the slide-in pocket, which is really pretty. The scallops are just so soft and feminine. It does have her logo down here, the Pink Room Company, and that is in a rose gold foil. And then we've got this little zippered pocket here in the rose gold hardware. So that is nice. And let's move it over here. And we've got a pen loop here. And then there's these two little D-clips. Now, obviously you can put anything you really want there if you wanted to maybe put a dangle, a charm or something like that. But the intention for that is this strap. All right, so I wanted to take it out of the packaging. It's rose gold. It's a chain that you can clip on there and use this as a purse. So that way, if you wanted to carry, you know, everything with you, you have your planner in here, and you have like your pockets where you could put any of your cards, like, you know, your wallet, a little pocket here, and you can use this as a purse if you wanted to. So that's the reason for this chain. So that's kind of cute. Now, I am not going to be doing that because that's really not my thing. But I mean, it's such a beautiful, beautiful color. And if that's something that you'd want to do, then you have that option. So I'll probably just end up putting like maybe a cute charm or something like that on here. I am using this planner cover for on the go. I like the fact that it's quilted. It's just, I don't know, it's just something about a quilted planner cover just makes it a little bit more sturdy, my personal opinion. So I like that. It just adds a little bit. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm gonna close it up. I like the snap. It's definitely on the sturdier side. It's not like a soft, floppy type of cover. It's got some like sturdiness to it, which I do appreciate that because this is going to be for on the go, and it makes sense, the design of it with that strap. And then on this side here, let's take another look over here, because there is a pocket in here, and it does have this really pretty like pink lining in there. I don't know if you can see that. I just want you to be able to see that. All right, so this is my mini on the go happy planner, and now I'm looking at these discs. I'm gonna have to change the color because it just looks kind of strange, right? But that's okay. I will get some different discs. I think I'll like that better. So let's see how this is going to fit in here, because the size discs that I am using, even though this is a mini planner, I am using the classic size discs. So let's see, this should fit in here. First off, it fits perfectly in there. It's got some room in here. I like that. So it's got a little bit of room. So if you like the idea of putting like bows or charms or anything dangling, it will be in the case and it will be protected. So now this should fit in here. Okay, well, it does. It's a little bit snug, but it fits. Look at that. It's got a little bit of room in there, but because I have the classic discs, like there's room for the planner to grow a little bit. I don't plan on stuffing this any more than what it already is, but the disc size definitely no larger than the classic size discs on here. If I had my planner on mini discs, then it definitely would be a little bit more of a comfortable closure, but I'm okay with this. I mean, it closes, it's great. So I am super, super excited. I'm not going to be doing a flip through of this planner because it's really not about the planner in this video, but I do have a detailed flip through of this and how I set it up. So this is something you're interested in seeing. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell, because I'm not sure which video is going to be coming out first. But this is the mini happy planner that I have set up, and it's a Franken planner. So if you want to see that, make sure that you're subscribed and you have your notifications set for on. All right. Oh my goodness. So I'm in love. I'm in love. I mean, this is just going to take, well, it's not bad. It's not bad. I was thinking, oh, it might be a little snug. When I purchased this planner cover, I had not set up my actual planner yet. I did that afterward, and I don't know if I was thinking about like the size discs that I would be using, because in my previous mini happy planner that I've used, it was on the go planner, and I had it set up differently and I kept it on mini discs. But this time I discovered I needed to have those classic size discs because it was just like too packed on the mini. But yeah, no, I mean, it fits really well. It's really nice. It's definitely sturdy, and it's got, oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait. I can't wait to start using this like tomorrow. Oh my goodness. I'm going to just like take off the little plastic on here. Look at that. It's just so pretty. It's so, so pretty. I really love the rose gold. And I believe that there are, I know that there's a black one. I'm not sure the other colors that are available in this one. I think that there's a pink one and maybe a white or a cream. I'm not really sure. I will link her shop information down below in the description, and you can go and see exactly what she offers. Now, this is the second cover that I got from the Pink Room Company, and the first one that I got from her is for my classic size happy planner. It is stunning. I love it. I do have an unboxing and a setup video of that as well. So if you want to see that one, I will link that for you in the going to be down in the descriptions, so you could take a peek at that. And this is so pretty. I can't wait to like set it up, and I might be changing out some discs in here. We shall see. I don't know. I may not like the way that the gold really matches, so I'm not really too much into the mixed metals, but we'll see what I actually end up doing. And I am going to be also taking some more pictures of this. I will be posting that on my Instagram. I'm hoping that the pictures, I'll be able to get more of like the true color that it is on here. I feel as if though it's not really showing its true color right now. So I am on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan. Be sure to follow me there. And if you prefer Facebook, you will also see it on Facebook. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up. If you did, drop a comment down below. I love to hear from my subscribers, viewers, and just kind of, you know, say hi to you. I really love doing that. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.